Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay today. I will review new project. Name is Bitfinex project. All the thing of Bitfinex project is good. Today I will discuss about Bitfinex in details to their site. Hope you will be understand all the thing about this project. Okay. Don't skip this video, stay full video. So let's discuss the main topics of this project. Bitfinex, transparent and fair gambling community drive production based. Bitfinex is the first community drive gambling platform where every win. So game you already know all this coil without Qatar. We are rethinking casino games like the dice game and the coin flip with more coming soon. A smart way to gambling, so security and transparent, providely fair. So there is many option. Innovation game matching, so divide and sharing, transparency and fairness. So Bitfinex token designed for profit sharing and stake holding. So limited supply, some as the community core divide and increasing with demand. Token release schedule. So BIP20 10 best BIP20 20 is a technical standard used for smart contract on the basic technology free trade your BFT for the crypto of your choice such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. Analyze sharing obtain FTs time you play with loss meaning relative the size of your bet. Why Bitfinex is conventional iGambling, looking for a alternative to conventional iGambling. So Bitfinex reward transparency design automatic. So everything is all of this project. So get started. We are in alpha. We are working hard to put on the finish to on the Bitfinex meeting. You can join our ambassador program to get easily access and exclusive benefit. So okay, so this project will be a successful and one of the best project in this for white paper of this project, Bitfinex white paper. So Bitfinex introduction. One of the main problem in the high gaming industry is the lack of transaction and resolution and distrust of traditional application and online games. With blockchain, you can provide complete transaction security system of the use fund and non-custodial gaming things plus the ground republic. So there is many details. So market iGaming, so fair play, blockchain gambling. So why Bitfinex, transaction fairness, community drive, innovation gaming matching, our vision, the platform of gaming ranking system, daily mission, our several team. Bitfinex token economy, the token system is behavior therapy method. The aims on of the token system to the broad distributed behavior through small reward. The so-called token can be smile marble chips etc. The player can collect in this. Okay, so many token type of Bitfinex token symbol BFT, total supply some token type BP20 10. Okay, so decimal 18. BFT will not be entirely Urdu at last to keep trading from long-term intent meaning incentive. Okay, unlike other platforms which hold token hostage for unknown length of time Urdu. So okay, so meaning BFT investment opportunity divided pool BFT token brand. So okay, token decimal token distribution. Okay, this distribution is fine of this project release schedule. So look at this video for schedule roadmap. So there is a clear roadmap with experienced team. Okay, so dissimilar. So everything is all of this project. So this project will be a success. Okay, one of the best project in this world. Okay, no more today. Thank you.